How to get started with Proton VPN command line tool for Linux. The official Proton VPN Linux beta app is available for all Linux Debian-based users, support for more distros to follow. Where possible, we recommend that you upgrade to the official app. The community Linux client described below remains available for those who need it. We have updated our Linux VPN command line tool. These instructions are for version 2.0 of our Linux client. Link to the GitHub repository, https://github.com/protonvpn/linux-cli. For more extensive information about the features and how to use the VPN client, read the usage guide. You will need the latest updates of the following dependencies installed on your Linux repository. Open. Python 3.5+. Dialog, optional, needed for interactive selection. Pip for Python 3, pip 3. Instructions for installing these packages on different distributions. On Arch Linux/Manjaro, please use sudo pacman s open dialog python pip python setup tool sudo pip 3 install proton CLI. Make sure to run pip sudo, so it installs globally and recognizes the command with sudo. On SUSE, please use sudo zipper in y open dialog python 3 pip python 3 setup tool sudo pip 3 install proton CLI. On fedora/CentOS/RHEL, please use sudo dnf install y open dialog python 3 pip python 3 setup tool sudo pip 3 install proton CLI. On Debian/Ubuntu/Linux Mint and other derivatives, please use sudo apt install y open dialog python 3 pip python 3 setup tool sudo pip 3 install proton CLI. Manual installation from source. To perform a manual installation from source, visit the Proton VPN Linux client project page on GitHub. Initialization. Once you have installed the client, you will need to initialize your Proton VPN profile so you can connect it to a VPN server. You can do this by using the sudo proton init command. This will bring up the screen below. When you are asked for your username and password on this screen, it is referring to your OpenVPN credentials, not your Proton VPN login credentials. Learn how to find your OpenVPN credentials. Commands list of all commands. Command description. Proton init initialize Proton VPN profile. Proton connect, C select a Proton VPN server and connect to it. Proton C server name connect to a specified server. Proton CR connect to a random server. Proton CF connect to the fastest server. Proton CP2P connect to the fastest P2P server. Proton CCC country code connect to the fastest server in a specified country. Proton CSC connect to the fastest secure core server. Proton reconnect or reconnect or connect to the last server used. Proton disconnect, disconnect the current session. Proton status, sprint connection status. Proton configure change CLI configuration. Proton refresh OpenVPN configuration and server data. Proton examples print example commands. Proton version display version. Proton help show help message. All connect options can be used with the P flag to explicitly specify which transmission protocol is used for that connection, either UDP or TCP. Kill switch. Proton CLI has a built-in kill switch that protects your data in case your VPN connection is interrupted or cut unexpectedly. Enabling kill switch. To enable kill switch, open the configuration menu with Proton configure, then select 5 for kill switch and confirm the activation with either 1 or 2, depending on your preference. 1 will block access from your directly connected network, e.g. public Wi-Fi, and is recommended for laptops that may connect to untrusted networks. 2 will allow access from your directly connected network and is for computers that don't leave a secure and trusted LAN, like your home network. On the next connection, kill switch will be enabled. Update. We will periodically update the Proton CLI to introduce new features. The command to update Proton CLI is sudo pip 3 install Proton CLI upgrade. Uninstall. If you want to uninstall Proton CLI, run configure first and purge the configuration. Then uninstall through the package manager you used for installation. For pip this would be sudo pip 3 uninstall Proton CLI.